Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor, and welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, your favorite excuse to day drink. Now, for this happy hour episode, it's going to be centered around not one, but two drinking holidays. It is International IPA Day and International Beer Day, which falls on the first Thursday and Friday in the month of August. So for today's video, we're going to be making the Black and Tan.
My name is Black. His name is Tan. I can't believe you just made that assumption. You should be ashamed of yourself and your family.
Arguably one of the easiest drinks that you guys can make here. We're gonna grab a pint glass because we will be pouring 8 ounces of Guinness Stout on the bottom, and then we're gonna float 8 ounces of a pale ale on top. Hey guys, future Taylor here, coming back in to fix my mess ups, okay? So what I did was I actually put the Guinness at the bottom and then I put IPA at the top, which doesn't really make sense just because of density. So you're actually gonna be floating that top layer of Guinness and you're gonna have a base layer of a pale ale, and it should look something like this. Now it has kind of mixed a little bit, but you do kind of see that gradient at the bottom with your pale ale transitioning into your Guinness. I already took some photos, so this is the taste test part 2 reversed. Still tastes the same, beautiful every time. Thank you guys for dealing with my mess up here. Back to old Taylor. So it didn't really part the way that I wanted it to, but I'm sure it still tastes the same. So I'm very interested to see if you guys can do a better kind of crisp line between your stout and your pale ale right on top there. You do have to have a steady hand and maybe try using a bar spoon to kind of break down the velocity of that top pour, but without further ado, I'm gonna slip away, take some quick photos. I'll be right back for that taste test. We're back and the drink is very full, but wow. Okay, so if you're a big fan of IPAs like I am, this one is going to have the IPA front forward notes that you're looking for, while still kind of having the backbone of a Guinness here. So it's good, it's dark, and it's rich too, and it's deep. But having that Sweetwater IPA does kind of cut it a little bit. So damn, this is a great drink. I highly recommend you guys try the Black and Tan. Definitely, like I said, go ahead, try and get that layering a little bit better than I could. Tag us on socials at Smokeshow Smoker. I love seeing you guys recreating the drinks, especially if you can do it better than I can. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to tap that like button. Turn on that post-subscribe notification bell to stay tuned of further happy hour episodes and drinking holidays, just like this one. But thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next week. Cheers. Lovely.